Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to use the infotainment system on this MG HS. So this HS comes with a 10.1 inch colorful display and the options are pretty straightforward to be honest, and it's a fairly easy to use system as well. So you get these big widgets on your screen out here for your radio and your navigation and also the air conditioning controls. So when I press and go into the radio, you are led into the options like that, and then you can also go and see your other options like your refreshing your list of all these radio stations out here. You can customize that, and then you can go inside the audio options and you can change all the audio settings and everything from here itself. And then once I go back into the home, then where's the home? Yes, so this is the navigation. So this comes with also the inbuilt navigation system. Takes a little while to load, but yes, once it comes, yeah, it's kind of decent, I would say. It lags a little bit sometimes, but yeah, that's all right. You're going to be connecting your phones using the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, so you're going to be using the Google Maps anyways. So once we continue, then we have the air conditioning option. So straightforward, again, options are given out here, but there are no options for the button operated, so it all operates from the screen itself. So you have your on and off button, so you can press that. There is an auto, there is the air conditioning, there is the recycling of the air and different modes where you want the air to blow from, and then you get the dual zone air conditioning system on the HS, so you can change the temperature from here on both the sides. And also you get the heated seat options. For some reason you have the heated option, so you can switch that off as well from here, and then you can adjust the fan speed from here itself. Then once we go back, there are also options which are shown on top for your air conditioning controls all the time. So you can see your temperature, your fan speed, what mode it is, and also the mode in which the air is flowing from here itself. So all of that is visible from here. And at the bottom you would notice more options which are given for your phone. When you're connected to the phone, you can see that there's also the car option, which is your detailed car options for your driving assistance. You can switch off all the individual options from here. Your rear driving assist, blind spot, lane change on and off, simple options, rear cross traffic alert, and also the door opening warning. All of that can be changed from here. Your comfort and convenience, so your lightning, again, on and off, all of that can be done from here. Your locking, your HVAC, which is your air conditioning system, and also the other options like your tail gate opening positions, how much you want your tailgate to open, your mirror folding auto options, and then your steering button, what it should be doing. Then there is also the driving and the maintenance option, in which you can switch off the traction control from here itself. And also the next option is your factory settings, where you can reset all your factory options from here itself with the flick of a button. Then again, you have to keep coming from the into the home screen using the home button out here, which is what I'm pressing every single time. Then there is the setup option, in which you will find your day-to-day options for your volume, all the volume options and everything that is given out here, the radio option, and then the time option. Then there is also the Bluetooth, the display, the system. Then there is the EQ settings, where you can change all your sound settings from here. Then there is the sound stage, where you want the 3D sound and everything to be blowing, the virtual subwoofer, and also the direction of sound that you want the sound to come from. Then your radio option, your time option, your Bluetooth, your display, and then there is also the systems option, in which you will find all your details. Again, we press the home button and go back. Then there is the 360-degree view option, which shows you your 360-degree camera view on this one. So there is a 2D mode and also the 3D mode. You can press the 3D mode, and then you can see the car in the 3D mode with different angles, and you can set if you want to view it from the front view or the back view, and all of that can be changed from here, or otherwise you can just leave it in the 2D view and you can see the feed on your screen itself. Then you will find your Apple CarPlay, which is your wired connectivity option, and also the Android Auto, again, which is the wired option which you get on this one. Then there is also the picture option. So when you press the picture, if you are connected to the you inputted USB into this one, then you can see the options out here, and also the video option, and there's also the off button, which switches off the screen completely. So when I switch it on again, you are back, so you just have to tap and get the screen option on again. So that's pretty much the options which are given out here on your screen, and which is why I said fairly easy to use options which are given on the screen itself. There is also the date option, so you press the date and you can change all the dates and time and everything from here itself. And that's pretty much the functioning of this 10.1 inch infotainment screen that is given on the MGHS. So if you've liked this video, make sure to leave a like, and please make sure to share this video so that more people can know and understand how to use the infotainment system on this MGHS. Now, if you want to subscribe to my channel, then you can click here, and if you want to watch more videos, then click here. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.